In this exercise, we have the inequality negative 2 times y is greater than or equal to 26, and we want to solve the inequality and write set notation for the answer. Now, to get y alone on the left-hand side of this inequality, I can divide both sides by negative 2. So on the left, I'll have negative 2y divided by negative 2. The multiplication principle for inequalities says that when we divide both sides of an inequality or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we have to reverse the inequality symbol. So because I'm dividing on both sides by negative 2, I need to reverse the inequality symbol and write less than or equal to here. And then I'd have 26 divided by negative 2. Now on the left-hand side, I have just y. And on the right-hand side, 26 divided by negative 2 is negative 13. So writing set notation for the solution, we would say that the solution set is the set of all y such that y is less than or equal to negative 13.